there. Today we're at Garden to Table Permaculture. We've got a couple of helpers, Paula and Casey. And you might wonder why we've got this old ice cream bucket. It's actually a 10-litre ice cream bucket that we got at our local cafe. And what we're actually going to do today, we've got a wicking bed here, as you can see. So the wicking bed's probably about 4 metres long and about 80 centimetres wide. But one of the greatest things we can do in any garden bed, whether it's a wicking bed or a raised bed, is actually to add some nutrients. And so that's why today we're actually going to be building a worm farm out of this old ice cream container. So what we've already done, and you can pick these up probably wherever you know somebody eats lots of ice cream, but we've already pre-drilled some holes in them. They're no bigger, they're about 5 to 7 mil holes. And the reason why we do them that size is because we don't want any vermin to get through. So that's the recommended diameter. And we've also pre-cut a hole in the bottom just with a Stanley knife. And obviously when we're finished the project, we're going to put the lid on top so that the worms will be safe and sound away from the rain. So here we've got the worms. So we're going to dig a hole first, and then we're going to sink it straight in to the garden bed at about that height. So all those holes will be under the ground, and we're just going to have the lip straight above the ground level.